Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we are sharing a healthy snack recipe, roasted chickpeas. This is very simple and easy to make. Let's get started. We will start with seasoning the chickpeas. Take 2 cups of boiled chickpeas and dry them out. We boil the chickpeas. If you want, you can use canned chickpeas. For the seasoning, add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of powdered salt. You can take regular salt and powder it with a spice grinder. We use powdered salt over here because it mixes very nicely with all of the other ingredients. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, mix it well. After seasoning the chickpeas, take a baking tray, spread out the chickpeas evenly, make sure not to overcrowd the tray, and then sprinkle a little bit of chili and salt. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or until they become crispy. The delicious roasted chickpeas are ready to be served. These are amazing as snacks. You can add them in your salad as your side dish. These are very healthy. Try it. Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit the bell icon so that you can receive our new videos as soon as we upload them. Thank you and goodbye.